Hi guys, this is Crypto Insider and welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about the 3DOS platform. You can see 3DOS Decentralized Manufacturing Network. So this is the first DEPIN network on the SUI blockchain, and we all know what happens with first project on a particular blockchain, on a particular network. As you can see, mapping global manufacturing capacity to power the world's largest decentralized network. And I said N3DOS tokens for connecting demand and supply. So the 3DOS DEPIN project is actually a high value project and potential project. You can see currently they have 281,000 followers. I don't think it's saturated yet. And if you check if you search for them on cryptorangle.io, you can see that they've actually received quite a lot of funding. This just to enable you to participate in this airdrop, you just have to do two things: sign in and then download the 3DOS extension and then run the extension over time. You can see here, you can see installing 3DOS extension today is like mining BTC in 2011. You just don't know it yet. GM to the early ones. So I'll be introducing this DEPIN project to us, and I'll be telling us how to position and interact with it effectively. So we'll be going over to the browser. So I'll be showing us how to connect. So you can use your MySys browser for this, or if you're using a PC, you can get to use your Chrome browser for it. You can see we are out here scrolling, but missing free 3DOS points, complete task, farm points, touch grass later. So this project is a project you should not miss. You should endeavor to maximize it and get as much points as possible. So you can see, not financial advice, but claiming your 3DOS daily rewards is the most bullish thing you'll do today. So I advise us to join this 3DOS network. The link to join will be in my description. So just copy it and paste it on your MySys browser, and then I'll show you the next steps you're going to take for you to be able to get an airdrop. If you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. If you've been watching my videos, thank you. Keep watching my videos, and very soon we'll make it. So let's go over to the MySys browser so I can do this. So I've copied the link already, so you can come over right here and paste your link. Like I said, the link will be in my description, so allow it to load for a while. So this is the page, this is the dashboard. So you can just get to click on I agree to terms and conditions. This is where my referral code will be. You can decide to sign in with your email and your password. You can also decide to use the Twitch, but I'm making use of my Google account, so I'll just sign in with Google. Doesn't go ahead on creating an account, so we'll just go ahead to sign in. That's go ahead to log in with the email you just used to connect. So you can see once connected, I think it automatically converted my browser to desktop mode. So once connected, you can go ahead to claim the first reward. You can see I've claimed 25 points. So let's go back. Then these are the other instructions for you to follow. Then copy your referral link, download the Chrome extension, and then claim your daily rewards. So I'll be going ahead to show us how to do that. This is the dashboard. So before you go ahead to generate that thing, you can see over here, you can see total today's earnings. You can see the 3DOS earnings. I can see the community count, how many persons have joined the community. So go ahead to generate. You can see over here, let me zoom in. You can see over here, generate API key. So click on generate your API key. So once you've done that, just go ahead to copy this API you've generated, because we're going to link it to the extension. Yeah, so we entered API, we've downloaded, we've copied the API. So we'll go over to, on your MySys browser, go over to extensions. So the link to download the 3DOS extension will be in my description, so it will be quite easy for you to do. So I'll just go ahead to open the extension and then use it to complete this airdrop. So click on extension, then open search for 3. You can see just a 3DOS network. So click on 3DOS. Then I usually call it 3DOS, but let's go with 3DOS. So you can see right here, this is the extension. So click on login since we already registered before. So this is where you enter your API key. So there's no other thing you have to do. You don't have to do any extra stuff. So just over here, paste your API, the key you copied. So you can see once you pasted it and it's been applied, you can see it's writing connected right here. You can see this toggle is on, and this total reward, the reward I claimed earlier, and this is my referral code, which will be in the description. So note that points will be updated every 30 minutes. So let's go back to the app, because that's where we're going to. Let's go back to the website. So you get to close your extension, but once in a while always come back to check if it is connected. So once we've closed the extension, you can now come over here to complete tasks. So over here you can say earn 100 points every time you tweet about 3DOS. So link your Twitter account and then tweet about 3DOS for you to gain 100 points. And then this is where you get to see your daily earnings. So both the node that is on, the extension that is on, that is running and mining, it will be reading here how many points you've earned. And then over here you can get to perform tasks. This task, the thing with 3DOS is that the tasks are time limited. So you can see time limited. So connect your X, connect your various, your Telegram and your Discord. So we'll be going ahead to do that. So click on this place. So at the task bar at the left hand side, you can see if you click on referral program now, you can get to see total number of referrals you have. You can get to see the total number of points gotten from your referrals, and this is your referral code. And here you can get to upgrade from basic to standard to silver to gold, depending on the number of referrals that you have. Then you can get 300 points plus 300 points plus 10% bonus rewards for next 24 hours if you send your email address. If you put your friend's email address and you send him information about 3DOS, I say both parties get 300 points for every successful referral, and the referrer earns 10% bonus rewards for the next 24 hours. So you can see grow your 3DOS army, run your node, earn rewards, and complete the limited time offer. So that's it for the referral program. So the next will be go over to endpoints. So you can see at endpoint there are various tasks which are time limited. You can see right here, let me zoom in a bit. You can see follow the founder. You can see time left is 16 days. Then join Twitter, time left. Join Twitter has 11 days left. Join Discord has 11 days left. Join Telegram, 11 days left. And then earn more points, where you go to the community and then you grind for more points. So endeavor to complete these tasks and keep your node running. And then that's all for this 3DOS network. That's all for this airdrop. Thank you so much for watching. So I have a Telegram channel where I post a lot of early crypto alphas. So if you've not joined my Telegram channel, do well to join. A lot of important alpha are coming. And thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can be getting lots of videos whenever I post them. See you next time.